In this video, let's see how to create and manage Quick SMS. In the navigation bar, click on SMS. Select Quick SMS. In the Quick SMS section, click on Send Quick to initiate sending a message. Select the sender. Select the recipient. Select a template group. Select a template. You can type your own message or compose using AI. Click on Generate button to generate your message. Check the box to include reply stop to opt out in the message. Click Schedule for later to set a time for sending the message. Click the Send button to send the SMS. Click OK button to confirm the scheduled SMS. Your SMS is now sent successfully. Click the Reschedule button to reschedule the SMS. After rescheduling, click Confirm button. In the SMS list, click the three-dot menu next to a message to view more options. You can view, send now, and delete the message. Thank you for your time.